Hello friends, my name is Ravinder Singh from Axis Group and we are the direct authorized representatives of Tashkent Medical Academy, Tashkent. Purpose of this video is to clear some doubts and clarify some facts because some repeated questions are coming. Some of things I have mentioned in earlier videos also, but I think the things are not clear to our students or the parents, so I must clarify through this video. First of all, Uzbekistan is a secular country, safest country, do not belong to any religion, and they have 100% literacy rate. And so far as the crime rate is concerned, they are the safest. They are rated as safest country in the world. And the neighboring countries like Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, they have much higher crime rate than compared to Uzbekistan. Even India has much higher crime rate compared to Uzbekistan. So this is the safest country. So please be clear. You can check the facts from the Google also. Another most important thing is that we are talking about Tashkent Medical Academy, Tashkent, which is the oldest and biggest medical institute of Central Asia, established in 1919. Some students are confusing it with the branches. Tashkent Medical Academy, Tashkent is the main campus, which is in Tashkent, established in 1919. Oldest and biggest campus and oldest and biggest medical institute of Central Asia and Uzbekistan. They have their branches which are separate. Tashkent Medical Academy Urgench branch, which is in the Urgench region, and Tashkent Medical Academy Tirmiz branch, it is in Tirmiz region. Urgench is approximately 1,304 kilometers from Tashkent, and Tirmiz is approximately 700 kilometers from Tashkent. So they are not supposed to be confused with Tashkent Medical Academy, Tashkent. Tashkent is one of the biggest cities of Central Asia, 334 square kilometers of the area, and population wise it has 2.6 crores of population, which is comparable to Delhi, New Delhi, where we have population of approximately 3.3 crores. So so far as development is concerned, you can compare it with New Delhi, and the bullet train from Tashkent is running since 2011. So for past 10-11 years they are running bullet train also. It's a very good developed city. And Tashkent Medical Academy, as I have earlier explained you, they have a very good clinical exposure. They have their own 10 hospitals, 100 hospitals approximately are of the Tashkent region are under this. So, and they have 3,000 patient beds with them as far as hospitals are concerned. So this is one of the biggest medical institute, and you can have a very good clinical exposure here. So education wise, we advocate it. The duration of the course is 6 years, including internship. Okay, don't get confused. People are saying that 5-year duration or some different durations are being mentioned. It has been clearly mentioned in writing by the institute that they have 6-year duration, including internship. They are complying with the NMC norms. English medium course is there. They have introduced 100% English medium course. And so far as registrability of the degree is concerned, after completing the degree, you are able to practice directly in Uzbekistan. So NMC compliances are completely being met by Tashkent Medical Academy. So I think these things are clear. And some questions are coming from the students about, mostly from the transfer students, about the nightlife. See, it's a decent state to live, decent place to live. You can compare it with New Delhi, and the similar type of the situation is there. Like we have restaurants, we have clubs, we can move around, but just there is a certain level of discipline to be maintained in this country. And of course, definitely we are inviting students to come here and study here. And nightlife you can be enjoyed once you are already a professional graduate in the medical field. So with this background, I invite all of you to come to Tashkent Medical Academy, have a good medical education, and become a good future doctors. Thank you very much.